our project started with a visit to a local warehouse where we were able to identify two main problem areas. The first was palletizing, where people manually pack the pallets. This is in small to medium warehouses. Then the other problem area is transporting the pallets from the palletizing area to the storage area, and this is done using forklifts. So after elaborate concept selection, we were able to identify one solution for both problems. And the solution is the Movipal, which is a mobile palletizer.
It is essentially a storage and retrieval system that uses a racking matrix. To cut straight to the chase about what makes this system different to typical storage and retrieval racking systems is the fact that our AGV, our automatic guided vehicle, travels in planes instead of in rows and columns. So the way we looked at our innovation is we looked at how did the current systems come about, and we looked at it from a basic level of people stacking things, man-powered movement, and we then realized that when people ran out of space, they started to pack things on top of each other. And when that didn't work, they added a couple of rows and they made them taller, and eventually ladders were required. And when things got a bit heavy, they introduced the forklift. But all this time, basically, there's obviously human involvement, and you need open floor space. So we felt that automation hadn't been properly leveraged yet in the industry, and automation allows you to get into really small spaces and mix things up a lot. We can't kind of walk sideways, but an AGV can do a good job of that. So we decided to turn everything on its side, and as opposed to having rows, we have these planes, and that makes possible a whole lot of different variations in stacking.
The competition really has opened up our eyes to engineering in the real world, not just the technical and engineering side, but the business and marketing of our idea. I think within our studies, that's the missing link. We focus so much on technical and scientific aspects to design, and this competition really gave us that link between marketing and business and presenting our knowledge and a final product that can be used and has utility for a business within the warehousing industry.
We feel very privileged to be here and to have such sponsors being involved as well. The judges who were involved were also have a very high reputation, so it's very rewarding to see that they saw some business opportunity in our concept, and we hope from here it will only go up.